Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we will discuss depth of temp data, which is another beautiful feature in ASP.NET MVC. We use temp data like we use view data, and we have already discussed view bag and view data in my previous video tutorials along with temp data, but here in this video tutorial we will see the usage of temp data. It is a container in which we maintain the state in consecutive request. Temp data is used to store the temporary data. It is usually use the session under the hood, but it is not exactly a session. It automatically clear in the application, but we need to explicitly clear our session variable. Temp data is actually the temp data dictionary type. The value we can add in view data is of object type, and the key would be string type, similarly as we deal with temp data as we do view data. Let's start. Okay. This is the request which is generated, and I will use temp data over here. Temp data name this, and temp data okay. And now we have already created these action views, and let's use temp data there. Click here and go to view. Okay, and here I will declare var name here. I will pass the key. Okay, so I am validating that if it contains something, only then pass the value, otherwise not. Same is the case with second variable. Okay, now it's done. And here in the index we have a div here, and pass h4 channel, and now execute that. This is how we use the temp data. It is important to cast view data and temp data variable before use, and we also check the value of these variables to handle the null reference exception, as we are doing here in this example. It automatically clear to the third request because its life is only limited to the subsequent request. Now here you will view I have the value name, and here is the channel. Okay, and when I will remove this, it's look pretty nice. Okay, now I will replace the code into the layout like this. I will cut this, go to the layout. Here is the layout, and I will use that code over here. I will say this, okay, and here is the code, and I will also use this tail over there, okay, like before or before the rendering of the body. Here is the body which is rendering, and I will use here. And now refresh this so that we will get satisfaction it is working or not. The basic purpose of doing this is that first of all, let's see, it is working here. The basic purpose of doing this is that to validate either it is working on the index or in the all other pages. Like I will go to the detail page, and here I don't get any name and channel attribute, and it is because we have declared that into the index part, and it will only visible to the index, okay. So wherever we will declare the temp data, it is limited to that scope. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the engineering projects. Take care, bye bye.